What if I told you that today, one person with AI can do the work of an entire team? People are already making money with AI through content creation, freelancing, automation, digital products, and even faceless YouTube channels. In this video, I'll show you 17 proven ways to make money with AI, from beginner methods you can start today, to advanced strategies that can become full businesses. Let's jump in. AI content writing. Use AI tools to write blog posts, newsletters, LinkedIn posts, or website copy for businesses. Platforms like ChatGPT can help you write faster and land freelance clients. Use AI image generators to create logos, social media posts, or digital art for clients. Businesses constantly need fresh content. Use AI to outline, research, and write ebooks on popular topics. Then sell them on Amazon Kindle or your own website. Many creators need short-form videos for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. AI editing tools make this faster than ever. Many creators need short-form videos for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. AI editing tools make this faster than ever. Generate t-shirt designs, mugs, or posters with AI and sell them through print-on-demand platforms. No inventory required. Small businesses want customer support bots and lead generation systems. If you learn basic automation, this can become a high-income service. Use AI to generate captions, content calendars, and viral post ideas for brands. Use AI to help create course outlines, scripts, worksheets, and presentations. Teach skills people want. Use AI to create blog posts, videos, and product reviews that earn affiliate commissions. People pay for optimized resumes and LinkedIn profiles. AI helps you deliver them quickly. Translate content for global businesses using AI-assisted tools. Huge demand in international markets. Generate royalty-free music and sell it to creators or businesses. Automate repetitive business tasks like emails, scheduling, and lead capture. Companies pay big money for saved time. Create simple AI-powered tools solving one problem really well. Even small apps can generate recurring monthly income. Use AI to create lesson plans, quizzes, and personalized learning materials. Businesses and creators want better AI prompts. You can sell curated prompt collections online. The biggest opportunity in 2026 isn't replacing humans with AI. It's humans using AI better than everyone else. Start with one skill. Learn one tool. Build one income stream. And remember, the people experimenting with AI today are building the businesses everyone else will chase tomorrow. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI business idea you'd try first.